Hi friends. In earlier two videos we have seen single responsibility principle and open and close principle. So today we are going to see a third principle of solid, that is LSP, Liskov Substitution principle. This is also a very important principle, so you have to keep in mind that whenever you implement inheritance, you have to implement this principle very well. So suppose there is a in your base class you have some methods which are virtual, and in your derived class you are overriding that method. So in the derived class method, the behavior of a superclass, that is base class, should remain same. So I will show you first example, then only you will understand. I will first run the code and I will show you this using logging file. First I will show you the logs console. So see, here we are showing Liskov substitution principle example. We are opening a file logs.txt, saving data into logs.txt, then closing file logs.txt, and then in derived class we are creating errors.log. We are opening errors.log, saving data into errors.log, and closing errors.log. Okay, so here I will show you what mistake you can do and how you can prevent that mistakes. Okay, so just first I will show you the code. In code we are having one class file saver, that is base class. The main responsibility of file saver is to just save your data into a file. Okay, so suppose I will show you. So this is our file saver class. In that we have a field file name, and in save data method we are writing saving data into a file name. So this is a virtual method, so that in future if you want to derive this class and want to extend some feature, you can do that. So in this file you are just saving a data into a file. Okay, so suppose in future you want to have some more or some different functionality, you can create one more class derived from file saver. Okay, so that is a log file saver. This is just a text file saver. In log file saver you can do error logging and all, exception logging. So if you derive this file saver, you have to override this save data method. Okay, and you can do console write line saving data into a file name. Okay, so I will show you what is the mistake over here. So the main objective of this principle is just in your base class you are whatever you are doing in save data, the same behavior should be in your derived class save data. Okay, so I will show you while debugging now. Okay, what mistake you will do. I am running this console application. Now we are running this code. Okay, we'll do F10. We have created two instances. One is file saver and one is log file saver. Okay, so using file saver you just write data into a logs.txt, or you can rename this like data.txt, like that. Okay, so you do F10. Okay, so if you while debugging, if you change any data, it takes 2-3 seconds to recompile and check the code, execute the code. Now suppose file name you assigned is data.txt. Now here you are opening a file and here you are just saving a data. Okay, you will go inside this file saver, save data method, you say F10. Okay, you are now writing saving data into a file name. This is our file name, data.txt now, and you are then closing the file. Okay, so your data.txt is save functionality is done. We are writing hello inside that file. Now suppose we want to write errors, so you are using log file saver class. Okay, so you say just F10 open file, because here we are also opening file, closing file and saving data. So here also first you open file, then you save your data, and then you close the file. But inside save data, here in log file saver class, you are implemented open file and close file. So this is where we are doing mistake. The behavior should not get changed in derived class. So because of this many errors comes in runtime in production environment. So just keep in mind that here you should not call open and close file, because from outside it is already happening. Okay, so this mistake we are doing while doing the coding. So see here two time it is opening the file errors.log. Okay, and then saving and two time closing the file, so which will give error. So it is very important principle, you have to take care very carefully while writing the code. So in file saver is its base class, in log file saver derived class you don't have to call this open and close file. So now the behavior became same like file saver. So just keep in mind, do the code carefully, and this is very important principle. Okay friends, you can also give any suggestion or any comment if you have any queries, or if you want to see any other videos related to C#, .NET, MVC, ASP.NET. Okay, we'll try and cover that in our next videos. Okay friends, thank you so much.